What? Hear me, man? Of the world, it's not a plan. What you are going on, man? A franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I represent in a Gaza nation, you know a full effect thing. You don't know what go already. When we aim up, load up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. You don't know a loud explosion about ya. Watch this now, man. You don't know the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business, don't it? Oh, watch. You don't know a Gaza favorite. Look at me, yeah? Watch now, man. I just roll in from Cleveland. Yo, I see YouTube send me message. But basically, they must say watch my context when I put up. You know what I say? Tell YouTube say I make money from my 16 blood clot earhole. YouTube can't tell me how to talk now how to wash up my mouth. Because I hustle me and hustle. I work. You hear that? The company where I work for have more than $34 billion upon them status. Tell YouTube not laugh with me. You think me easy? I grade my smoke, me no bun beady. So when some pussy here in time me chat nothing about them and feel like them can go complain to YouTube and I try to feel like them no take that bum buckle out because you can't stop 10-star from talk. And me run 10-star TV. You hear that? And a lollipop thing. But what you are go on right about now because BS crazy shit me see I go on, you know. Yo, how the fuck it gets so windy out here? Yo, fuck it all get so cold. Right about now, you know. Them say massacre at this vybz cartel. Well, I don't even call that this, you know. Because that is like fairy tales to me, you know. You know what I mean? In a real life, you know. Every black man a king. When you talk about king for the dance hall, yo, you can't bear the name and you not play the game. Because all of who when I hear a size up themselves for kingship, I know you don't have the works behind the girth. So I don't know what you really talk. So I make me ask you, make sure I make you know one thing. Because I feel like see some farmer joking shit. Let me tell you something, massacre. I just hope say when you post up that on IG, I just your fans them you want get in order. Or I don't know if you probably want to drop a next King song. Or I don't know if a story I try to store up the internet in a certain way. But let me tell you something. If a vybz cartel you are shading, remember, you know, don't beat the hands of feed there, you know. Nah, don't kill the goose or lay the golden egg, you know. Because don't forget, you know, say, you know, an infrared set up on the pathway where there, you know. You hear that? I don't know, joke to you. And don't follow Corey. Because the biggest money him ever make in his life, I when him link with vybz cartel and put out street vibes. You know, she say after that, a pussy quarter that sell in a club. And she say a go thing him in a, and I sell crutches in a club. You understand yourself, you know? You know, I'm not laugh with it, you know. You hear what I go on, man? Right about now, you know. I see the general vybz cartel have the big magneto for drop this Friday. Him and him son. You know that shit they come like a magnet to people ears, don't it? No watch nothing, man. I just a puff a cigarette because I tell them I just a forward from Cleveland. I'm going to run in the bank to get a change because you know so I'm going to try to get some high grade because I'm going to blaze up. I'm not smoke on 2 days, you know, and a lollipop thing. Yeah. But always see I go on the internet. It's just cloud chasing. We not deal with fairy tales thing. No man can come with now the best year Massacre have in a dancehall last year. And every dancehall fans know that. No boy can come with no 1 year plan, nor no 2 nor 3 year plan for overthrow no king. When you overthrow king, you have to have decades worth of plan. You hear that? I don't know, lollipop thing. Big up Vybz Kartel. The king for dancehall. Dancehall Pharaoh. Big up Tommy Lee Sparta for your belated birthday, my general. Because the general never there about for sound the big thing them. So Sparta, anywhere at all you're there in Jamaica, the general say respect to the fullest. You hear that? And a lollipop thing. You hear that? Right about now, you know, we see a whole heap of local shit go on. So my sister Cynthia, she get brave and she run out for Red Bull thing. And she call up Jada Kingdom name. And Jada Kingdom don't ever hesitate. The girl don't ever wait. The next morning she drop necessary equipment. And right now a loud explosion on the internet. So all of who were there are not chat about this and that. Remember say, I never Jada come out and I said nothing. Remember say, I Cynthia call up her name. So I call Jada Kingdom squeeze necessary equipment right about now. She can't pull no levels card. She definitely have to go answer the girl. Because here we are going right about now. Anyway, you not answer. You're going to look like a big coward. So it look like you can call up people name behind them back. You hear what I go on? So right now, Ramesh, nah, nobody were in our crew can't tell her I said don't answer. Because if you don't answer, you're going to look shaky. And that's another joke thing. You see what I'm dealing? And Shopton. I want to big up Shopton because here we go on. The music video for world government are the first video that me I go review. Shopton, the thing shell way. Hotter than where hell there. And on a lollipop thing. You don't know what the general, the 10 star one represent in a full effect. And you know say Gaza all day and every day. You don't know today is a little minor voting day. So basically it's a holiday. You see what I deal with? And I say as I make you know, I just a book